Hello traders, Marcelo Torres from Trade Wiley with one more video analysis for you guys on Bitcoin. Yesterday I didn't go with the analysis due to some stuff that I had to take care here, but today here we go with the analysis. First, reminding you guys that this analysis is already available on all my social networks, and please follow me, please like my post, and please share it. Okay, help support my initiative and help others evolve as well. Okay, please follow me and like me. I'm gonna start doing some live analysis, mostly on Bitcoin on English, of course, right? And maybe the market index as well in English. Okay, so if you guys follow me, you guys will get the alert of my analysis as soon as I post it. All right. Remembering as well that this analysis, my disclaimers say that this analysis is just an educational analysis, is not a financial advisor. All right. Okay, then here we go on the fear and greed index. Today we are hitting the 43 level. Yesterday we were at 40. By the end of yesterday's trade day, Bitcoin reached something around 93.78. This reason why we came up with this 43 level, okay? But after that, it started going down, as we're gonna see in a while. So let's check out the chart for the fear and greed index. Here we are with the chart. As I said, I was thinking that the Bitcoin could go up, and it really did go up. So the fear and greed increased its value up to 43, and then it started hitting some resistance right over it. It's too resistance in order to break out to keep on moving up. But since the traditional market is going down, it is going down. It might go down as well. Let's see how it's going to close by the end of the day to see how this index is gonna go through. Okay, moving forward, here we are with the market right now. Looking like this, it seems like it's kind of half 50-50, positive and negative. But let's go for the Binance balance in order to see how it is moving. Right now, the positive side for Binance, we have here 393 matches for trades. When we go for the negative balance, let's see, we have 399. So we have 399 negative against 393. We are 50-50. Earlier today, maybe an hour or so ago, we were mostly negative, but it looks like market is moving toward the positive zone right now. And if we go with the Bitcoin here, trades pairs with Bitcoin. Let's see how it's going to look. Let's see. Here we go. It is having a hard time. It is incredible. It is incredible. Let's see how it's going to look. USDT. Let's see if it's going to move. It didn't. I'm going to have to refresh the screen. Just a second, please. Here we go. Refreshing the screen. All right. Moving up to see what we have here. 397. We are getting even more positive. Let's see how many pairs we have with Tether. We have 70 pairs with Tether, and mostly it looks like we have like 10, an average of 10 pairs over 5% right now in order to trade. And if we go to BTC or Bitcoin, we have 108. So it's 108 against 71. So there's a lot of pairs with BTC right now in order for us to trade, okay? And some of them are similar to US dollar. Since we are moving sideways on the Bitcoin, like I said, go trade altcoin. There is the money, okay? Follow the money, all right? Moving forward, here we are with Bitcoin. As I said, Bitcoin is moving sideways right now. We are on the 1 hour chart. and I'm trying to um, get my prices against some trend lines, and we have a positive black trend line and two negative trend lines. One is it's more sharper, and the other one it's more open. So the dashed one is more sharp, and it is pushing prices down. So we are on a 1 hour chart. So at any minute, it is gonna have to take a decision in order to figure out where it is going to go, because it is stuck in this corner right here. Okay, so maybe the 1 hour chart is the one you want to keep our eyes on right now. And by looking at the buy and sell trend index, we can see that it is almost going with the Bollinger Blast. Who knows? Maybe we have a Bollinger Blast going on. Okay, every time the short-term trend goes under or goes up the midterm trend line, which is the blue line right there, normally it goes with the blast, a smaller or a bigger blast, as you guys can see right here. And as you guys can see right here, you can see that we have this crossover or cross under. Okay, so keep your eyes on the 1 hour chart, because we might have some blasts going on. Until then, there's no guarantee that it will happen. So keep your eyes tight right here. Keep an eye on this 1 hour chart, because we might have a trade for you guys. All right. As you guys can see, prices are trying to move inside this corner, having a very hard time to move in it. Okay. Moving forward, now we have the 4 hour chart, and it is kind of similar. It is in the corner of these two trend lines right here. We have the red one, and we do have the black one. So let's see what is going to be the end of this story, okay? Because there's not much to move right now. It can go down, and as I said in the Portuguese analysis version, it looks like it's gonna keep on going up and down with a spread of around $100, which is not bad. Right now, the indicators show that it wants to go down. See, stochastic wants to go down. Relative strength index is suggesting that it wants to go down, as well as the MACD. But the volume wave says, yes, I am going down, as well as the spread price. We have the money pressure figuring out what it wants to do. Right now, it was saying, I think I'm going down. Now it says, nope, I think I'm going up. So we still have some mix going on here with the indicators, but it looks like it wants to go down. It has just a small room to go up. Let's see, from the price that we have right now, it can go up like 1.5% against going down 2.3%. So there's a lot of room just to snap down and go way back up. I'm also thinking about, who knows, maybe putting a buy position here, maybe at 90.01. It might be a good one. It would just touch me, pick me up, and whoop, take me up and go for a profit. This happened this weekend for me. On Friday night, I put a purchase. It was around where I'm. This is a 4 hour chart. Let me get the. I purchased something right here. Let me see where we are. Okay, it was right here. Okay, I put a purchase here, a buy position on Bitcoin on 89.01, and I was expecting it to go way down here. Where is the 89.01? It is right, almost right here. See, it just went down on this point here, and it got me. So I put my sell position on 93.49, which is right here. And it just went there on this red candle, and boom, it got me. I made 5% clear, almost buying it on the minimum and selling it on the maximum, just by checking out its move, knowing it can do some wide spread here on the lower and the upper shadow. And it did do that, and it made my day. Okay. So I opened a position on a buy position on Friday night, and when it was Monday, I think in noon, it bought my position, and when it was Monday on the afternoon, it sold my position, and I made 5%. Nice and neat without having to take a look on the trend the whole day. So it looked like we might have a good. If it goes up, I might put a sell point on 93.90, something like that, and see it go way down. Okay. So there's a lot of opportunities here for us. Moving for the 4 hour chart, here we go with the Bitcoin also being cornered here under the red downtrend line and the purple uptrend line. So I said here on the analysis yesterday that if the market was to go up, if it were to go up positive, then we would see this downtrend red line being broken out. But it didn't do that. And it's incredible how the market went down. So it just made my day because it just went through. It's not going through. And there's a cycle here. Check it out. I'm going up, I'm going up, I'm going up, and it might go up again. So I'm thinking it might go down in order to go up, and then we're going to have a moment of decision to see if it's going to break out down or break out up. Okay. So let's keep our eyes here because there's a lot going on the 1 hour chart for the negative Bollinger Blast, and the daily chart, which is going to take like forever. Maybe only it's something's going to happen only the next week now, but we still have some projections here to see how this guy can move. And on the meantime, we can build our position and see it going on. Okay. So can I right here? It has some reasons. If we see the MACD, if we go with the volume wave, if we go with this price spread, it wants to go up as well as the stochastic. But we have some issues. Why not say on the relative strength index? The relative strength index and the price spread are having some doubts, but the money pressure is not. So it looks like the money pressure is dictating the move for today at least. Let's see how that's going to go on during the day. All right. So that is my guess for today, you folks. And as I said, can I on the 1 hour chart and can I on the 4 hour chart? Okay. This is my guess for today. All right. That's it, folks. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like this post if it was useful for you, and please follow me for new stuff coming up. All right. With this analysis on hand and the market wanting to go sideways, now it's showtime. Take care.